What's up guys, Jet here, and today I'm gonna review the Boeing 787 from British Airways. Okay, we start with the box, a picture of the aircraft taking off, 14 plus. Here it's written Premier Portfolio International Limited, scale 1 to 200. Here we have British Airways collectible scale model Boeing 787-8 1 to 200 scale model. On the back, the same story, collectible scale model Boeing 787-8. Picture of the aircraft. Here is the assembly guide. We have to assemble the plane because it is in pieces when you open it. Okay, there is a stand included in the box, Boeing 787-8 British Airways. Okay, we start with the plane. Have the front door, British Airways. The engines are painted in blue. It is a livery of British Airways. Then we have the flag of England. And we have one cargo door here. Then on the other side is the same story, but we have the cargo doors here and here. Okay, front view of the aircraft, side view, other side, back view. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.